Hi guys, do subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any updates of new videos from Swati Life and Style.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be sharing with you which sheet mask is for what skin type and for what skin concerns. We often wonder which sheet mask is for what concern. Let's find out in this video. So I have categorized all the sheet masks into 4 different categories, and the skin concerns for the first category are hydrating, moisturizing and smoothening. And the skin types that come under this category are dry and rough. So the first sheet mask that I have under this category is the smoothing face mask. And this basically has the serum containing black willow bark extract that provides an exfoliating solution to rough skin. Next one I have is this hydrating face mask, and it contains high hyaluronic acid that helps dry skin to lock in moisture. Third one I have is honey sheet mask. It moisturizes and adds natural radiance to dry lackluster skin. The fourth sheet mask in this category is the olive sheet mask. It's an intense moisturizing mask with olive essence rich in polyphenol that gently hydrates dry, rough skin. The next sheet mask in this category is the avocado mask. It's rich in essential amino acids and vitamins. It provides skin moisture and rich nourishment. So coming to the second category, in this category we have purifying and pore tightening masks, and the skin type that comes under this category is oily with open pores. So the first sheet mask I have here is this pore care mask. It contains tannins that helps to reduce shine and provides a pore care solution to oily skin. The second sheet mask for oily skin is this Mung bean one. It helps to purify and tighten the pores, leaving it clean and smooth. The third sheet mask in this category is Aloe sheet mask. It hydrates and soothes sensitive skin with moisture. Okay, so now coming to the third category, and in this category we have brightening and illuminating ones, and the skin type that comes under this category is dull skin. So the first sheet mask I have is the brightening mask. It contains pearl powders that provides brightening solution to dull skin. The next sheet mask in this category is Radiance mask. It contains vitamin C and provides radiance to dull skin. The last one in this category is lemon. It adds fresh glow to dull skin. And the skin concerns for fourth and last category are nourishing, firming and wrinkle care. Aging skin comes under this category. And I have 5 sheet masks in this category. The first one is nourishing face mask. It contains propolis that provides nourishing solution to exhausted skin. Next one is firming face mask, and it contains collagen. It provides solution to saggy skin. The third one in this category is wrinkle care. It contains peptides that provide a wrinkle care solution. Fourth one is pomegranate. It's rich in vitamin B1, B2 and minerals, and it gives skin moist elasticity and clear vitality. And the last sheet mask I have is shea butter. It deeply nourishes skin to provide vital elasticity. So that's it guys. In case you miss out anything, then please check the description box. Everything will be mentioned there. And I really hope this video was helpful for you. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section below. And if you liked this video, then please hit the like button and also share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye.